can see here the hinges is broken, and I took out from the glass. So I will show you how to take it out. I didn't mention here. I took this hinges from an old glass, and I will fix this hinges to that one. You have to unscrew it from the old one, so you will get like this. Now you have to take it out by using a soldering machine, or you can heat a metal and keep it some time. It will come out after some time. You get this hinges. Now you can fix it. I will show you how to fix it to other glass. Now I think you got the idea how I remove that broken hinges from that specs we needed. Now I am going to heat these hinges. Before that, it should be held properly. I will show you how I hold that hinges in this plier. I'll show you how to watch it. In this method only you will hold, otherwise you can't fix these hinges. Actually you need to fix very fastly because it's very small metal piece. It will become cold very fast, so you have to take it action very fast. Now it's not going because it came to cold. Okay, we have an idea. Now we can take our soldering machine and just hold that soldering machine, and we can fix it. Just keep it like this and press a little bit. It will go inside the frame. After 3 to 5 minutes we can fix these legs like this only. You have to fix that screw inside that hole using a screwdriver. Now our specs get serviceable. Now we can hold it like this. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like it and comment it, and if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.